It's amazing. Lemon tahini dressing. Starts with lemon. This is a really big lemon. And I'm just gonna squeeze in the lemon with this juicer. I'm short, I need some leverage, so I'm like so on my tiptoes here. And I measure everything according to how much lemon juice actually is in here. So this is the juice of 1 lemon. According to how much lemon juice you have in here, I like equal parts of olive oil and a pinch of salt, and then tahini. Now this is an all natural tahini, so it's separated a whole lot, and I've been trying to stir in the oil to the tahini paste. And if you don't know, tahini is like ground sesame seeds, and it's so good. It's so good. And you need about a tablespoon. And then I have garlic. I'm just gonna give it a rough chop in quarters. I need some honey. This just really helps to balance out the tartness. And if it becomes too thick, I can add a little bit of water to thin it out, but we'll see what it looks like after I blitz it. Let's give it a little look-see. Ooh, it looks very, very nice. Let's give it a little taste first. That's delicious. I can taste the tahini and the lemon, and it's all very creamy. It's so, so, so good. And just keep it in a jar in your fridge. We're gonna make a really nice massaged kale salad with some winter veg. I have kale. This is lacinato kale, also known as dinosaur kale. It's not as curly, it's a little bit more tender than the kale you're used to, and I've washed it. And I have chiffonade it, basically cut it in little bite-sized pieces, so you don't have big things of kale going on. This is the lemon tahini dressing that I made that is so, so, so good. And I'm just gonna drizzle some of this on. And I wanna massage the salad with this dressing and some salt. So the salt is not gonna just season this, but it's gonna help break down the more tough, fibrous parts of the kale. That's why whenever you have a kale salad, you wanna make sure it's massaged. Otherwise, the kale is just not pleasant in a salad. I like the fibers broken down. I like it to be nice and tender. And you just basically scrunch it with your hands, your clean hands, like this. And that dressing gets all over each individual piece of kale. It's flying everywhere. Spectacular side dish, or an entree if you want to make this a salad with a piece of grilled salmon on top. Of these so spectacular. Winter veg I'm going to add is some roasted butternut squash. I roasted this in my Ninja Foodie, air fried it for 20 minutes. That's all it took, and I didn't even peel it. I left the skin on. The skin is thin, and when you roast it like this, it just gets kind of chewy. And then I want just a few golden raisins. The butternut squash is already sweet as well, and the golden raisins are just gonna add to the allure of the salad. And because there has to be crunch and a bit of salt, I'm gonna do some salted pistachios. I would love to add some grated feta to this, but we have somebody coming that I know he does not like feta cheese. So I'm gonna grate a little bit, crumble a little bit, and just put it to the side of the salad. So the rest of us that like feta in their salads can add it, and he can just eat this as is. And just a little bit more of this lemon tahini dressing. And then, with clean hands, just give it all a gentle toss. I want it to be gentle because I don't want to break up the butternut squash. That is one yummy looking salad. I have a pretty serving bowl. And then this goes in there. And then if you were to crumble a little bit of the feta cheese, the little pops of white on top of this would just make it very beautiful as well. But like I said, we're gonna put that on the side. And this is my massaged kale salad with butternut squash and golden raisins and pistachios and feta cheese for tonight with the lemon tahini dressing. Don't forget that, that is so, so, so good.